Meaning of future-proof.
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 Future-proof. Future-proof means to design or plan something in a way that it remains viable and relevant in the future, despite changes in technology, circumstances, or environment. It involves anticipating potential future trends and challenges, and incorporating solutions or features that can adapt to them. This approach minimizes the need for costly upgrades or redesigns down the line. Companies and industries that adopt a future-proof mindset tend to be more agile, innovative, and competitive over time. In summary, future-proofing ensures longevity and resilience in the face of uncertainty and change.